Hello everyone. We are going to continue with chapter 1 of unit 2, which is human body systems, and the course name is same, that is systems of the human body and their functions. So let's get started. So you can see female reproductive system here. So we are going to talk about the reproductive system. We have already covered many organ systems so far. So the organs which make up a female reproductive system. Now what is our ovary, okay, cervix, vagina, okay, fallopian tube and uterus. Now what is the role of all these organs? The basic function of female reproductive system is to produce a baby, to nurture a baby inside. Okay, so see, ovary, it produces like female sex cell, okay, and it's non-motile, right? It cannot move, okay, but the male sex cell, that is sperm, it can move and it swims to the ovary and it fertilizes, and like fertilization takes place in the fallopian tube. So fertilization is going to take place here. Okay, as far as the copulatory organ of females is considered, it is vagina. Okay, uterus is also known as womb. Once the egg gets fertilized, it moves to the uterus. Okay, and uterus is a very, very powerful organ. It has the capability to expand. It expands at the time of pregnancy to support the developing baby. Okay, so it can expand to the size of fist. Okay, so it's a very, very powerful organ, and baby receives all nutrition here. Okay, and it develops for 9 months in uterus only. That's why it's also known as womb. Now here you can see male reproductive system. You can find scrotum. Okay, scrotum is the bag in which testes are there, and inside testes only sperms develop. Okay, so penis is the copulatory organ of human males, right? And prostate gland is there. Okay, urethra is there, right? So all these are the parts of male reproductive system. So human reproductive system, if we see males, it will have testes, epididymis, vas deferens. Okay, vas deferens and epididymis, they form ducts. Urethra, which is also the part of excretory system, and penis, which is the copulatory organ of males. Okay, and when it comes to the female reproductive system, human female reproductive system, it will have ovaries. Okay, fallopian tubes, which is the site of fertilization, uterus is there, and vagina is there. Okay, now you can see certain muscles here. Okay, that is cardiac muscles, skeletal muscles and smooth muscles. So now we are going to study about the muscular system in humans. So when it comes to like skeletal muscles and skeletal muscles, I think we can move it as per our will, so its movement is voluntary. And cardiac muscles are found inside the heart. We just can't move it as per our will, so it's involuntary. And smooth muscles you're going to find in stomach, okay, and various other parts of the body. So it's even the movement of smooth muscles is involuntary. It's not under your will. So muscular system is made up of all these three muscles which are listed here. That is cardiac muscles, smooth muscles and skeletal muscles, right? So if we see the function of the muscular system, it works with the skeletal system, right? Okay, they work in coordination with one another to produce voluntary movement. Okay, it helps to circulate blood, okay, and move food through the digestive system. Okay, so how do they circulate the blood? Because cardiac muscles are there in the heart, and heart only pumps the blood. Okay, and they move food through the digestive system because you're going to find smooth muscles, okay, in this we can say stomach. Okay, so that's why they are able to move the food. This is what they are trying to tell us here. Okay, now we are just left out with one organ system. We have already covered others, which is lymphatic system, which we are going to cover in our next session, and then we are going to switch to the next unit. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much. Keep watching the videos.